all movement training, which is you start with isolation, then you move to integration, and then you move to improvisation. So at the first stage, you need to isolate the area that you're trying to create movement in, and there's different ways to do that. Isolation has a really important place in spine mobility because most people will have some movement in an area of their spine and then very little movement in another area of their spine. So the integration phase is where you start integrating the whole spine, so like spinal waves, where you start integrating full spinal movement and you're trying to bring every single joint into the movement that you're doing. And then improvisation is at the most advanced level, where for when we do our warm-ups, which you may not have even been aware that this is what you're doing, but it's when you just start improvising and you just start moving around and doing all different things, and you have all these tools in your toolbox. And like with general movement practice is that people, whenever you look at the cool videos of the people on Instagram or YouTube, you're usually watching people that are in that improvisation stage, and then people try to replicate that and they don't understand the phases of how to get there. And it's a really hard thing for a lot of people to do. When you're trying to do something that you've never done before, when we teach spine mobility, the loaded mobility comes in at a much later stage. First, when we do the isolation and the integration phase, there's no loading of the spine. It's just learning how to create movement in each area. And it's a really hard thing for a lot of people to do.
Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel and make sure you click the notification bell so you know when our weekly videos are uploaded. Now, the best thing for you to do if you want to stay connected with us and get free online coaching is to join our private Facebook group. It's called the UMS Movement Mastermind, and we go live daily where we answer our members' questions. It's very interactive because you can post questions while we're live and we interact with you on the show. You can also upload videos or pictures of yourself with any movements, any stretches, strength training movements, calisthenics, weightlifting, anything that you're struggling with, and we'll critique you, give you feedback, let you know how you can get better. It's a really valuable resource. It allows a lot of communication with us and also our senior tribe members. You'll get answers very, very quickly, and it's absolutely free. So jump on Facebook, search for UMS Movement Mastermind and join now. Until next time, have a great day.